Hi, and welcome to this week's episode of the Mills Minute. I'm Colby Mills, and this is Michelle Castle with Guild Mortgage. She's here this week to talk about some of the things to do to qualify for a mortgage. We had some of our clients and viewers last week want to ask some specific questions, and thank you for reaching out, and we'll get these answered for you. Michelle, thank you for your time today, and I look forward to providing some great information for our clients. The first question comes from Mindy off of Facebook. Her question is, why do I need a pre-approval letter before looking at homes?
Right now, with the market as hot as it is, we found that the sellers want to know that a buyer is actually able to follow through with the offer that they make on the house. So approval is very, very important. So we can analyze the application, make sure that everything looks good on the credit and the debt to income, and then structure a loan that works well for the buyer's budget.
Good deal. Our second question comes off of Twitter, and it's also from Mindy. She wanted to know, how do I get pre-approved?
Pre-approval process is fairly simple. You can do that over the phone. You can also go online to, in my case, it's michellecastle.com. And within 24 hours, we'll have some answers and, again, be able to review all of the information and provide a loan program that fits the home buyer's budget.
Good. What are some of the most typical types of loans available right now, and how much do they have to have down?
You know, there's still loan programs available with no money down.
No money?
No money.
Wow.
You've got your USDA financing and VA financing that offers, no money down payment loans. And then you have your FHA, which is only 3.5%, and then a standard conventional loan with 5%. So really, you can buy a house with very little money out of pocket.
Good. What does the credit scores need to be in order to qualify for mortgages?
Credit score is really important. Number one, the credit scores matter for your interest rate. Different loan programs have requirements. Your FHA and VA for Guild Mortgage, we only need a 600 credit score. FHA is a 620 credit score. Your VA and your USDA is 600. So it really just depends on what loan program you're looking at, and that's one of the things that we do for you when we do that pre-approval. We'll look at everything and then give you your options.
Good. Well, and this over the past couple of weeks, I've seen some buyers that maybe have not had as stellar credit that are struggling, that maybe don't qualify right now. But just because they don't right now doesn't mean they won't in the future.
No.
Do you have some tips and tricks on how to improve credit scores, and do you offer some of those ideas to your clients?
We do. Sometimes we can give some suggestions that help increase credit scores 30 and 40 points over a 45 to 60 day period of time. Yes. There's a lot of information. Whenever we look at a credit report, just because you don't qualify right now doesn't mean that we can't help you get to a point where you do qualify. Right. And we'll put a plan together for you, and we'll tell you what to expect time-wise, for all of that to work out so that you can be a home buyer.
Good deal. Well, these are just a few questions, and I know there's a lot more that are out there. Where can clients go to get some of their questions answered that we didn't have time to cover here today?
I've got a blog that answers a lot of questions that we hear from home buyers, and so we make sure that we have a place for them to go to get those answers, and that's at michellesmortgageminutes.com. Michelle's Mortgage Minutes. Yes.
All right. Well, good deal. Well, again, I want to thank you for the time today. If you have anything else you want to say to the viewers, feel free to do so now, and again, thank you for your time.
You're very welcome. If you give us a call or go online, either way, we'll get some answers for you quickly and put you on that right path.
Good deal. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Mills Minute. If you have more questions or would like to ask some questions like we did today, feel free to reach us at info@themillsgroup.com. Thank you and have a great day, and God bless.